Hello, I hope you're having a good day. I'm TR Rose and I am late to the game. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Pikachu Happy Meal. These don't come around very often from what I remember, but it's very cute and it has a built-in activity on the side of the box. So I am going to make and assemble my very own Pika box for this video. The first thing I'm going to do, actually I have to open him up, pop out these cute little ears. We have Pika ear number 1. And Pika ear number 2. And isn't that about the cutest thing you've ever seen? I never thought that I would find a Happy Meal box to be quite this adorable. But it's a Pika box, so I guess now we have to do the actual unboxing part. So we open it back up. And of course it has chicken nuggets and fries. But this is what we're really looking for, and that is Pokemon cards. I will be honest with you, I haven't bought Pokemon cards for myself in at least 1 decade, if not 2. So I'm kind of excited to open up the cards. I'm wondering how many of these Pokemon I'm even going to know at this point. So we will put the Pika box back. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we've got a packet of cards. We have some instructions about a game you can play with just the cards that come in here. And we have, what is this? Oh, we have a giant Pikachu coin that is Pikachu on one side and a Pokeball on the other. What else is this? We have a spinner. So we can spin and it points at various symbols that I think correspond to things in the book. And that's all in this little box. Now let's see what cards we got. Let's see who we have. Oh, we have holographic Rowlet. Very cute. We have a Dynamo. It appears to be an electric type. I'm not familiar with this one. We have Flaffy, cute little electric sheep. And we have a Cutie Fly, who is a psychic type. I only know him from Pokemon Snap. So these are the 4 cards that we've gotten from the Pikachu Happy Meal.